Hello, thanks for joining me for another review then. Right, today we're going across the pond to California and the Firestone Walker Brewing Company, and this is their Easy Jack Session IPA, coming in at 4.5% ABV, 47 IBUs. Not had this one before, so this is in a 12 fluid ounce can. This was canned on the 27th of September of 2017, so I'm reviewing this on the 29th of December, so it's almost into, by the time you see this it will be 2018, so Happy New Year. So yeah, I had their, what did I have the other day? The Luponic Distortion, the number 7, and another one I can't remember, so because I'm professional like that. So let's crack this open then. Apparently this is brewed with hops from New Zealand, Europe and North America, so I don't know what varieties. I'm sure you can Google that information and find out, or probably go to their website. I'm sure it'll be listed on there. Look at that, how clear is this? Looks like a filtered beer for sure. So, you know, a West Coast type style of IPA, which is, in this day and age, is quite refreshing, because everything is then kind of haze for days, unclear for years, Jake, kind of beers, and I still like the old style kind of clear, old school IPA, Session IPA. So, and this is one of them by the look of it. So it's very clear, you can see my less ugly face. It's a half finger, a very kind of foamy white head, gentle carbonation. It's kind of that kind of slightly straw colour. Let's get an aroma then. Picking up nice lemon notes. Slight citrusy edge, slightly sweet. Let's give it a try. Cheers. Nice bready malt character to this beer, very smooth. It is what it is, it's a Session IPA. It's got a little bit of grassy graininess, but then the malt backbone to this beer really lifts it a little bit, and it's not malty as I mean in like just malt and no flavour of any kind of hops or anything. The hops are definitely there. It's very moorish with that kind of biscuity bready crackery malt. Very nice indeed. Any other information about this? Brewed and canned by Firestone Walker Brewing Company of California. FirestoneBeer.com. And it's a subsidiary of can't think what it's called now. Let me go. Duval Morgat. They part own it or fully own it, I'm not sure. So check out the beers there. I'd like to try some of their bigger kind of packaged the box bottles, like things like Parabola, and I think we've got Sticky Monkey over here, things like that. I'd love to try some of those beers, but they're a little bit pricey, they're around about £10 a bottle. So maybe in 2018 later in the year I can get my hands on some of these things, which they generally don't last very long. But as for this beer, a nice, as it says, Easy Jack IPA, Session IPA, decent, really decent. So one more sip then and a rating. Yeah, it's got a lovely kind of moorish quality to the beer. There's a little bit of citrusiness there, pale stone fruits, maybe a little bit of pine. Not really picking up that 47 IBUs. It's quite well balanced in that regard. There's a nice kind of sweet malt with that biscuity bready malt crackery thing going on. Really nice beer. So for me, in regards to rating then, it's a lovely beer. 8.5 out of 10 from me. So it's a 4.25 out of 5 for Untapped. We'll check Untapped while we're here then. This has had a total of quite a lot. 106,732 currently, and it's coming in at 3.73. So for that amount of scores, which is quite incredible, that's like a 7.5 out of 10. So I'm giving it, you know, a whole grade, or 50 points more than that. So decent beer. So check this out. It's available in the UK if you shop around for it. Let me know if you've had it. Firestone Walker's Easy Jack IPA, Session IPA, 4.5% ABV. Thanks for watching then, and I'll see you on next review. Cheers.